For our math activity today, we're going to practice counting a collection. So you might have a collection at home that you are ready to count. Think about it. What would you like to count today? You might have a sticker collection. You might have toy cars that you want to count. You might have snacks that you want to count. You might be wondering how many are inside this packet. Or if you like to count in really high numbers, you might want to open up a big box of cereal and count what's in there. Erasers, second grade's favorite thing to play with. What am I going to count today? Well, I'm getting ready for my snack. So what I think I'm going to count is I'm going to count my snack. So I have 2 snacks. I'm going to share. I have 2 snacks to eat today. I have some goldfish crackers and I have some peanut butter pretzels. And I'm first going to count my, let's see, what am I going to count first? I'm going to count the pretzels first. Pour those out. Oh, get the goldfish out of there. It's really hard to count like that. What do you think we should do to organize it to make sure we can get the right number? Think about it. What do you think we should do to organize our pretzels? You're right. We should organize them in tens and ones so they're easy to count. So now I have my pretzels organized in tens and ones. I can easily count them. But before I count, let's see, it looks like I have 110, but remember, a great mathematician always double checks their work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So I have 110, and then I have, let's count, I have a 10 here. I'm going to move it down, 110, and then I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. Or I might do it where I take the 10 and then I count on. I start at 10. I know I have a 10 stick. 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 is 14. I have 14 pretzels in my collection. You can see my 10 stick, 1 10 stick, and 4 ones. That is my first collection that I'm counting. Hi friends, now go take a break. You've counted one collection and later on we will count another collection. So pause the video. You're going to start the video in the middle when you come back, and just pause and go relax, rest your brain, have some fun, jump around. Next thing I'm going to count are my goldfish crackers. I might even think about make a guess at how many are in my bowl. I'm thinking there probably is around 30 in there. So I'm going to go ahead and count them now. How am I going to do it? Am I just going to count one by one or pour them out and just count like that? That would be hard, wouldn't it? I'm also going to make tens and ones. So as you can see, I now have my goldfish organized. And I was close. I had said I thought there were 30. I estimated. Let's say that word together. Estimate. Estimate. It's when you make a good guess on about something. Pardon me. And then I'm going to count my tens now. So remember, good mathematicians always double check their work. I'm going to go by twos this time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then I have 3 rows of 10. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30. So if I have 3 10s, that equals 30. So I have 30 here. We're going to put that number in our head, 30, and we're going to count on 31, 32, 33, 34. You have 4 ones. 30 plus 4, you put the 30 in your head, 31, 32, 33, 34 equals 34. So we now know how many pretzels Miss Walsh has for a snack and how many goldfish crackers she has. Now, I wonder if, can we add those two numbers together? I bet you can. Let's look at what we had here. We have 34, and then we had, in our other collection, we had 14 pretzels. So 34, oh, I forgot to label it. I would want to say 34 goldfish crackers. Crackers. And then we're going to add 34 and 14 and see how many snacks we have. So you have a collection of goldfish and a collection of pretzels, and then you can take those two collections and add them together. They're kind of the same but different. They're both snacks, so that's the same, but they're different because one is crackers and the other is pretzels. So when you go to count, you're going to count a collection of two things that are similar but different. It might be red cars versus blue cars, or different types of stickers, or different types of stuffed animals, or different color macaroni or cereal. So your job is to go and count a collection of things and then find another collection to count that is similar but different. And then we're going to add those two numbers up together. So let me show you how we're going to add 34 goldfish plus the 14 pretzels. Now you can see I have the pretzels and the goldfish all on my tray. I have 34 goldfish crackers and 14 pretzels. So 3 10s plus 4 and 1 10 plus 4. So how am I going to add those together first? I might add my 10s first. So I have 3 10s over here, 3 rows of 10, and 1 row of 10. What's 3 10s plus 1 10? You're right, it's 4 10s. So that is 4 10s. I'll put it down here, is 30 plus 10 equals 40, or 4 10s. You can see that the 0 there because this is in the tens place, so that that is a 10. And then now we know that we have 4 10s or 40. What else do we have to do? You're right, we go and add the ones. So we have 4 1s in the crackers and 4 1s in the pretzels. So I put 4 in my head and count on 5, 6, 7, 8. I love to touch so then I make sure I do not forget anything. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 48. I did my 8 a little funny. I'm going to write that again. 48. You guys might choose things to count that are smaller collections, or you might choose things to count that are bigger collections. And each one of those is okay. You're going to find things that you're comfortable counting, because you have to get comfortable with your numbers and then you build from there. So if you're not very comfortable with numbers, you start with smaller numbers and you count on, or if you're really comfortable with numbers, you count with bigger numbers and count on. So now it's your turn to go and do this work. You're going to find not one, but 2 collections of things to count, some that are kind of the same but different. Like I chose 2 different snacks. You're going to choose 2 different things that are the same but different. So I have 48, I wouldn't say cracker snacks, cracker pretzels, I might just call them snacks. Or I might say crackers and pretzels. That's labeling. That's we'll talk more about that as math goes on. But you are ready. So have fun, go count, and I can't wait to see all of your collections.